Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. In today's session, we'll be covering the basics of AWS services to help you confidently navigate your AWS cloud journey. Together, we'll explore core AWS services, learn about their functions, and see how they can support your business goals and growth. If you're new here and looking to learn more about AWS, cloud computing, or tech tutorials, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure that you've subscribed to our channel and clicked on this notification bell icon so that you may never miss out on our latest videos. Alright, let's get started. Let's take a moment to talk about AWS. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services, and it's basically Amazon's cloud platform that offers over 200 different services, all from data centers around the world. So, whether you're a startup, a large enterprise, or even a government entity, AWS has something for everyone. Because of its wide range of cloud products and services, people often refer to it as AWS Cloud. Now, let me explain AWS in a very simple way. Imagine you're taking a bus from your home to work or school. You don't own the bus, but you pay for a ticket, you hop on it, and reach your destination. Similarly, AWS lets you rent cloud services and meet your business objectives. You get access to what you need, whether it's computing power, storage, or other resources, and only pay for what you use. It's an on demand service similar to public transport. AWS offers a load of different services like computing, security, networking, and databases. These services are key to building and growing your application software. Whether you're part of a big company or running a small business, AWS has the tools to help you reach your goals. AWS started in early 2000s when Amazon restructured its own infrastructure. Recognizing the potential of cloud services, Amazon officially launched AWS in 2006. Initially, it provided scalable storage and computing power. But AWS has rapidly expanded since then, offering a range of services from computing and storage to databases, machine learning, and beyond. Today, AWS is the global leader in cloud computing, empowering businesses of all sizes to grow faster. It operates on a pay as you go model with other pricing models also, similar to public transportation, where you only pay for the services that you utilize. Now, AWS offers over 200 services, making it a one stop platform for businesses looking to grow and scale. With data centers worldwide, AWS ensures high availability, security, and rapid application deployment. This means businesses can effortlessly expand their reach while cutting down on cost. Constantly innovating, AWS continues to add new features and services to help organizations drive rapid growth and stay ahead in the competitive landscape. Now, let's talk about how AWS services work together in the cloud. Imagine AWS as a huge toolbox filled with specialized tools. Each service is like a different tool that you can pick up whenever you need it. Now, these services are designed to work seamlessly together, whether you're storing data, running applications, or securing your infrastructure. The best part, everything is on demand. You only use the services when you need them, and you're built based on what you use. Need a server? You can spin up an EC2 instance in seconds. You want to store files? Upload them to S3 with few clicks. It's all about flexibility and scalability. Whether you're a startup running a small website or a large enterprise handling huge traffic spikes, AWS scales with you. All of this can be managed easily through the AWS Management Console, which is a simple web based interface, or through the CLI, that is the command line interface, if you prefer automation and scripts. This means you can provision, configure, and monitor resources with just a few clicks or commands, allowing you to fully customize your cloud environment. So essentially, AWS services work together like building blocks. You choose what you need, scale it up or down as required, and you pay only for what you use. It's that simple and powerful. That wraps up today's video. If you found the content useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with others who might benefit. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop any questions or topic suggestions in the comments. Your feedback really helps us improve. If you're interested in diving deeper into AWS, Check out our latest CLF C02 course. You can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.